you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. You guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. So if you guys want to see this fragrance review, go ahead and stay tuned. So y'all, I'm really excited to be reviewing this fragrance for y'all today. This fragrance kind of caught me off guard, but one of the main reasons why it caught my eye was because of the way that the fragrance bottle looks. And you guys are going to see that a little bit later. This fragrance was a blind buy. I pretty much picked it up solely because of the way that the bottle looked. So let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. Now y'all, I don't know if it's because I've been living under a rock or because I'm old, but I really wasn't too familiar with Sabrina Carpenter, and when I saw this fragrance I was just like, okay, it looks cute, I'm gonna pick it up. But that is what the box looks like up close. The design of the box is really fun and cute. It's bright. I really like it, and I think that it's really eye-catching. And you also get a little bit of a sneak peek of what the actual bottle looks like from the top of the box. And you turn it around and you have a picture of Sabrina Carpenter holding the actual fragrance. So let me show you guys what the actual fragrance looks like up close. So that is what the bottle looks like up close. As you guys see, it looks like a super cute pink chocolate bar. So I just love that. I think that it's really fun and just really different. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to the actual details of this fragrance. Now this fragrance was launched in 2022, and I kind of feel like it was launched a little more towards December. I'm not totally sure, but that was when I started to see this fragrance around. This is classified as a floral, fruity, gourmand type fragrance. The top notes include marshmallow, candied ginger, chocolate, and bergamot. In the middle notes, there's Madagascar vanilla, coconut milk, and jasmine. And in the base notes, there's whipped cream, sugar, cashmere wood, and musk. So I'm excited to see what this smells like. I'm not really too sure how the chocolate note is gonna smell or if I'll be able to smell that. So let's go ahead and give this a spray and see what it smells like. This is a really light fragrance. It's not really strong at all. As soon as you spray it, you definitely get those cashmere notes. It is a very, very sweet fragrance. You're able to smell a little bit of the bergamot, but the main notes that you really get a lot of is the whipped cream and the vanilla and the cashmere wood. It has almost like a woodsiness to it. You don't really get too much of the musk. I can smell the sugar too. I know a lot of people really like vanilla type scents, and after a while, fragrances that have vanilla in it can kind of start to smell the same. I know in a lot of Ariana Grande fragrances, that vanilla type creamy type note is usually in there, and I know a lot of times with stuff like that, it can kind of start to smell the same. But this one, it has something different to it, and I don't know if it's the cashmere wood note that's in there that kind of rounds out a lot of those sweeter notes, but it almost adds like a mature edge to this fragrance. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm really liking the way that it's smelling on the card. I think I might go ahead and spray it on my wrist and just see how it warms up to my skin and just see how it's smelling on me, because from the paper I'm really liking the way it smells. Okay, I will say it definitely smells different on my skin. I don't really even smell it too much unless my nose is right up against my wrist, so I don't know how long this will actually last on my skin. I didn't really hear anyone else talking about this fragrance or how long it lasts on the skin, but just from smelling it right now and like as soon as you spray it, I don't really think this fragrance will last too long on my skin, but I am going to try to wear it all day in the future and see how long it lasts. If you want like a light scent before you go to bed or something like that, just to smell like something, this fragrance is so warm. It almost has like a calming effect to it. So if you are somebody who likes to wear fragrances to bed, this is definitely something that's not crazy overpowering. You could apply this when you get out of the shower and just luxuriate in your bed and go to sleep. I feel like this fragrance will be better suited for that than trying to wear it all day, unless you keep it in your purse and you apply it throughout the day. I feel like this is a fragrance that could work for every age group, and I kind of feel like this will adapt to different people's body chemistry and smell different. So maybe with some people this could be an all-day fragrance, or at least like a 5-hour fragrance. So I definitely recommend y'all pick this up and try it out. As I told you guys before, I purchased this mainly because of the bottle. I was just like, even if I don't like it and like hate the way it smells, I just want the bottle. And I'm happy that I have something different to add to my collection, and it could just sit on my shelf and look cute. And since this vanilla scent isn't crazy overpowering, with the spring and summer months approaching, this is definitely a vanilla gourmand type scent that you could wear during the hotter months, and you won't suffocate people with your fragrance. So yeah, this is a really pretty scent. If I had to rate this just overall, I would probably give it an 8. I will admit that I did open this up and smell it right after I got it, which I've had it for a minute, but I've never worn it. And just from smelling it the first time from the box, I was just like, like this is not something that I like. I didn't actually spray it, but after spraying it, I'm happy with how this smells. So I'm really happy that I have this in my collection. So y'all, if any of you guys have tried Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter, let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. And as always, I will have this fragrance linked below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves if you haven't already. So y'all, that was my review of Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.